Hello, good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Tuesday, November 10th, 2020. Today is Try It Tuesday, so we're going to try something new and different. Today, try to talk to someone in your class during your free time that you don't usually talk to. You might make a new friend. So, pick someone out in your classroom that is not already one of your good friends and try to have a conversation and learn a little bit something about them. You might find that you have more in common than you realize and end up making a new good friend. So, give that a whirl on Try It Tuesday. Now, please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and the moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast we have sausage patty or a link with a biscuit, fruit, and a drink. And for lunch we have, possibly, barbecue fajita on a bun or wrap, tater tots, fruit, juice, and milk. No school tomorrow, so Thursday we'll have breakfast is muffin and string cheese, and lunch Salisbury steak, mashed potatoes with gravy, green sweet peas, roll, fruit, juice, and milk. Today's birthday is Gavin Muntford. Happy birthday, Gavin. Today's announcements. After morning announcements, please place any library books that are ready to be turned in the basket outside your door. Those will be picked up. We will be having PST today, and we will be having an additional PD on Thursday. We will follow the extended PE schedule on both of these days, and we have no school on Wednesday. That's all for today's news. Have a terrific Tuesday, Kate Shepherd.